act of love.
In my neighborhood said I never would. For you, ooh. I got drunk on a Monday night. Hope it looks alright. Tattoo of you, ooh. I'm a yes man on the loose. Yeah. Maxed out on my credit cards. Bought your favorite car times 2. I'm crazy for you. Who knows what I do? I'd even die for you. Whatever you need, I'm down on my knees. I guess that means I'm done. I'm still being loved.
Breaking news story.
Stupid. I'm still being loved. Stupid. Redecorate my crib. Can't believe I did. It's true, ooh. I'm ashamed, but I said okay to share a Facebook page with you, ooh. 'Cause I'm a yes man on the loose, ooh, yeah. And I'll do anything for you, baby. I'm crazy for you. Who knows what I do? I'd even die for you. Whatever you need, I'm down on my knees. I guess that means I'm done. I'm still being loved. Yeah. Stupid. I'm still being loved. Yeah. Stupid. They can all call me crazy. I'm a fool for you, baby. But they ain't never seen you naked. They can all call me crazy. I'm a fool for you, baby. But they ain't never seen you naked. I'm crazy for you. Who knows what I do? I'd even die for you. Whatever you need, I'm down on my knees. I guess that means I'm done.
Robbers broke inside this home right here, but what they did not know is that a husband and wife would be returning home early. Well, the husband tried to protect his wife from the gunman, got into a scuffle, and police say that he was shot not once, but twice in the heart. Police say he did not survive. His act was one of bravery and heroism, and most importantly, an act of love.